This is part 2 of question 5, exercise 26. We're looking at the spoil. We have our calculations from part 1. We worked out the slab depth was 0.1 for the concrete, but for excavation 0.05. So this is the figure we need for our spoil. We worked out our depth and we worked out our width of the splay. So we need now to do our spoil. So we're going to do it in 2 parts. We need to do our slab first. So that's going to be volume is length times width times the depth. My length being 8.5 times 5.2 the width. And now my depth for the excavation here from ground level down is 0.05. So when we do the calcs on that, that's going to be 2.21 metres cubed. Now I need that answer, so I'm putting it in a box. Now our edge beam is going to be, we have to calculate the length, so we have to do intos and overs. So into and overs, so we don't double up on the spoil here. Okay, so this is where we're digging the hole in the ground, so we need to work that length out. So we're looking at A is going to be, I'm going across 8.5 and I'm minusing the new width of the footing of 0.55. So that's going to give me 7.95. Now B is going down and that's 5.2 and minusing 0.55, and that will give me 4.65. C, I'm going across, is 8.5 again, minus 0.55, and that's 7.95. D is going to go up, and that's my 5.2 minus 0.55. Now, this is going to be 4.65. Now, I need to add these all up to get my length. So I'm going to get you guys to put the length into the chat box for me. 25.2 metres. Okay, so now we're going to do volume. So we're going to do length times width times the depth, and that's going to be 25.2 times the width 0.55 times our depth of 400, so times 0.4. So this new figure is going to be, what did we say it was? Sorry, our new figure is 5.544 metres cubed. Now I need that answer, and I need this answer. We're going to add them together. So you've got volume 1 plus volume 2. So volume 1 is my spoil, so it's 2.21, plus volume 2 is my edge beam, so it's going to be 5.544. So when we add those two together, we're going to get 7.754 metres cubed. Now we haven't finished. When we go back to the question, it says 20% bulking. So I'm going to times that by 1.2 for the 20%, and then that's going to give us 9.305 metres cubed. Okay, now in the question it doesn't ask us to round up, so I'm going to leave that as my answer. So you really should highlight any answers you have. Okay, so that's my answer for A. Now it's taken all that work there, but I'm going to use some of this answer again. I'm going to